guys, today we're going to be talking about a very popular internet business model, YouTube channel creation, and so that's what we'll be talking about today. Sam Babande here once again, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, don't forget to click on that notification button. If you haven't done that before, if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. And please don't forget to smash that subscription button and also click on the notification bell so that you won't be missing out on the content I'll be putting out on this channel. And also, please, at the end of this video, if you find this information useful, don't forget to share with your loved ones, and also smash the like button to help the YouTube algorithm rate the video high and recommend it to other persons who might like it. Yeah, you're welcome. Now, as I said earlier, I'll be talking about a very popular internet business model, which is YouTube content creation. Now we'll be talking about how you can create a YouTube channel, how you can monetize it, and how you can be consistent about posting on it. I'll also give you a tip on how to make sure that you are not just doing random things, and how to make sure that it grows easily. So why creating YouTube channel in the first place? That should be the first question. One might be thinking, okay, why should I create a YouTube channel? There are numerous reasons you might want to create a YouTube channel, and the first one I'll say is that YouTube channel creation gives you visibility. Creating a channel on YouTube gives you visibility. Normally, if you are the type that just goes to YouTube and watch stuff and come back, you don't have any visibility. Your presence might not be known. You only be recommended videos like, okay, watch this based on what you watched before. But creating a channel gives you visibility on the YouTube app. And one other reason I would like to talk about is the monetization aspect. YouTube channel is what some persons base their earning on. There are persons whose means of livelihood is being sustained. There are persons whose only source of income is content creation on YouTube. Yeah, and it can be that lucrative. Content creation on YouTube can be that lucrative. You just need to get it right. You have to be consistent about it. You have to, when this is the only source, so you have to be consistent about it. And I would say creating content on YouTube is not hard and it's not easy, but one thing is needed: you have to be consistent. You cannot just do it for a few days, a few months, or a few weeks and call it a quit. That is not how to run it. If you know you're gonna quit, it's better you don't start in the first place. So YouTube creation is not for the faint-hearted. I have to talk about that aspect also. You have to learn consistency. If you don't have it before, it's going to teach you how to be consistent. So I don't want to waste much of our time. I want us to just go straight right into the video, and I will show you how to create a YouTube channel, how to post on it, and you have to do some keyword research too. I'll give you a tip on that and how you can get it running. And let's go into the video. See you on the other end. Well, if you look into my screen now, let me just go to, on your laptop, just go to youtube.com, and this is what you will see when you enter YouTube. So all you have to do now is to just come to the top right here, click on that image, your logo, then you come to settings. So when you come to settings, this is what you see. Just go straight into create a new channel. Dummy channel. I understand that I'm creating, so you have to create them. So let me say a quick one here, guys. When you're creating a YouTube channel, I am just using this name because I want you to just, we're just creating something for experimental purposes. So before you choose a name for your YouTube channel, it is important that you have done some research on what you are going to be talking about. So this will help you in choosing a name for your YouTube channel. And it's also a part of SEO that you need to understand. So let's go straight. So we're creating it now. And it's just as easy as that, guys. We have a YouTube channel created, and you can see right here, dummy channel, and here I can just upload a picture if I want to do that. So we might not be doing that here, just to save us time. So it's just as easy as clicking on the button, and then you have a YouTube channel already. So if you come here, this is where you have the playlist of all your channels. A playlist is like a folder, a folder like stuff where you keep your videos separated. So I will show you what the playlist look like. Now that you have created your channel, you can easily come to this place. It's called Customize Channel. This button called Customize Channel. This is basically your YouTube studio where you get everything you know. Starting from the first one, dashboard. So let's click on dashboard. This is your YouTube dashboard. When you come to this place, this is where you can upload your video. After you have made your video and you created the video, you've recorded whatever you want to record, you've done the editing and everything, and then you are ready to upload. Just click on upload video. You can just from here select file. It will open your file explorer automatically for you, and then you just choose. So I'm not choosing anything. Or you can just select the file from your file explorer, and then you just drag it down to this place, and then it gets automatically uploaded. For instance, let me just drag this in. You can see I'll get it uploaded, but I'm not doing that here. So let me return it. So this is the channel analytics. This is where you get how many subscribers you have now, how many subscribers you have in the last 23 days, the number of views, your watch time in hours. If you want to see the full details of your analytics, you come to go to channel analytics. That is here already. So this is where you have all your watch time and everything, your live watch and everything. This is where you have your content, the views per content, how many hours or how many minutes views a particular video has. This is where you get it. This is where you get your audience base. This is where you get the research and every other thing. So back to your dashboard. Now when you look at your dashboard, we've gotten everything settled here. Then when you come to content is where you have all your video, the channel content. So the content here is what is empty. This is where you have your uploaded videos. This is where you have your live videos. This is where you have your playlist, your podcast, and everything. So when you here, we don't have anything here, but I would like to use my channel for to explain this better. So let me just go to my. So guys, here is what the dashboard looks like on my own, because current subscribers, just to the last views. This is the watch hours. This is the most top performing videos. This is the ranking by views. This is what your dashboard will look like when you have your videos on your channel already. Now when I come to content, I showed you content right there, right? So this is my content. This is these are the videos I've uploaded before. When you come to the live, you see the videos I've recorded live. These videos were recorded live. So these are the posts. I don't do posts on YouTube. So here we have my playlist. This is where we have the playlist. You can create your playlist as much as you want. So here we have my product. We have the PC, Facebook ad. We have the web design. We have the crypto videos, how to videos. We have the internet business model where I'll be adding these two. Then we have the graphics design video that goes about graphics design. We have the podcast here. Then analytics. I've talked about analytics in that other side. Then comment is where you have what are people talking about your videos, what are saying about your videos. So here you can, whatever you want to do with the comments, you might want to hide it, you might want to do anything with it. And here we have subtitles. If you want to subtitle your videos, you can do that here. You can add subtitle files to your videos. Copyright, this is very important. This is where you check if any video has any issue, or your channel is having any issue, having copyright issues, like maybe you used a sound that someone else created. YouTube will let you know that okay, this particular sound you're using belongs to someone else, and therefore you cannot use it. So this is where you get to know, or then any visual is contradicting or is going against the rule of YouTube. This is where you get to see it. Now, Earn is where you monetize your website. Excuse me. Earn is where you monetize your channel, where you become a YouTube partner. When you become a YouTube partner, YouTube pays you for use on your content that you post on their own platform. So the condition attached to becoming a YouTube partner is you must have had at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers are the two important criteria for joining the YouTube partnership program. So talking about monetization, let's just use the opportunity to talk about monetization now. You can monetize by joining the YPP, the YouTube partnership program, which I just talked about now. You can also monetize by people. When you have the kind of audience people want, people can come to you and ask you to, advertise their product or services for them, and then you charge them for it. That's number 2 way you can monetize your YouTube channel. Number 3 is you can sell your own product, right? You can sell your product and your services using your channel, and when people get to see it, they might have interest, and there you have sales. Number 4 is affiliate marketing. You can use affiliate marketing. You can advertise a product that doesn't belong to you, and for each product you sell, you get a commission. So monetizing YouTube is very complex. Another way you can monetize the YouTube channel is by creating the membership platform. That is, people pay to join your, to become a member. There are YouTube channels that you see join under them, then you pay a token before you can become, a member of that community. So what that helps you to do is that you have exclusive access to some premium content which is not available to just subscribers. So customization is where you get to customize your channel. Here you can put a trailer. I explained that earlier. You can put this is my own trailer, this is the featured video for returning subscribers, so like that. And then daily ideas. This you're seeing here is as a result of an extension I installed on my Chrome. It's called Vidiq. It's an independent app. It has no affiliate with YouTube for growing your YouTube channel. They suggest keywords, they suggest things you have to do on your YouTube channel to make sure that it grows. Talking about that, I would suggest that you download this Vidiq and another app on your phone which is called YouTube Studio. These 2 apps can help you to keep track of how your YouTube is growing. If it's diminishing in subscribers, you get to see it increasing. You also get to see it. So these two apps are very important in growing your YouTube channel. So if you have the fund, I will also suggest that you subscribe to their premium offers so that you can have access to more stuff from them. So audio library is where you have your audio stuff created, and that is that about creating your YouTube channel. What we have to talk about now is what kind of channel should I create? What kind of channel am I creating? What kind of content am I posting? So in this aspect, I will give you a few advice that I know will be important to you. Number 1 thing is you need keyword research. You have to do keyword research. What are people talking about? What are people looking for online? What is trending? You might want to go in that aspect. So you have to work and search extensively. Are you a web designer? Are you a graphics designer? What do you do? Or do you want to bring your are you a doctor? You want to be talking about health, or what do you want to do? What do you want people to know you for? So you have to do a keyword research on that particular niche, and you might want to niche down. One thing that helps you in YouTube content creation is niching down. That is, if you say I'm a doctor, now you are a doctor, what kind of a doctor are you? It's complex. Are you a dentist? Do you want to be talking about teeth? Do you want to be talking about eyes? So that what will people know you for? It will help people to know that, okay, this is what you do, and whenever they need such thing, they just come straight to your YouTube channel. But when you say you're a doctor, it might be too complex. If you say, okay, I want to be talking about sport, what kind of sport? You might want to niche it down to, okay, football. Even when it comes to football, you might still want to niche it down to, okay, let me go to a particular club and start talking about a particular club. Or I just want to be showing highlight of a particular league, Premier League or Champions League, like that. It helps the algorithm to be more focused, to know, okay, this is what this YouTube channel is all about, and they will know the perfect recommendation you'll be giving people about your channel. So you will also do your keyword research. You will niche down. Those two things are very much important in growing your YouTube channel. And don't forget, YouTube Studio, you can download it from the Google Play Store. You can download the video from the Google Play Store also. These two apps will help you to keep track of your the growth of your YouTube channel. Okay, another skill I would suggest that you add to your content creation is creating a catchy YouTube thumbnails. YouTube thumbnails, the kind of thumbnails you are using for your video will determine if people will click on what you are selling. For instance, let me just go to YouTube.com and show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. This is what we call YouTube thumbnail. So it will determine if people will actually click on what you are selling. Because when you look at it, you have to create a catchy one. And in as much as you want it to be catchy, you still don't want to deceive people. You don't want to put irrelevant stuff on your YouTube. You can learn how to create, eye-catchy content using Canva. So you can do this through Canva. You can learn how to create high-catchy stuff using Canva. If you don't know how to use Canva, Canva is a mobile app, or it also has a web app where you create, graphics and visuals. You can also create short videos with Canva. If you don't know how to use Canva or you don't know anything about it, I have a recording on that. Just check up right here, you will see it pop up. That is where I have click on that video, and then you watch how to use Canva. Or you can just check the playlist on my YouTube channel. You also learn how to use Canva in that video, right? And this will be the end of this video. I believe that this is not a one-time something. You can still go back and watch this video again if there is something you do not understand or you want to know. I'll be checking the comment section also. If you have something to say about the video, if you have a question, you can get your question across to me through the comment section. I'll be watching it. If this is your first time of watching on this channel, please click on that subscription button and tap the notification bell. Show YouTube that you value this video and you don't want to be missing out on whatever I'll be posting. Hit the notification bell. Also share the video. If you find the content here informative, share the video and click on the like button. I will see you in the next video.